Imagine waking up, stretching your arms, and checking your phone, only to realize your money worked harder while you were asleep than you did all day yesterday. No coffee spilled on a laptop, no charts haunting you at 3 a.m., no stress, just pure, effortless gains. Sounds like a scam commercial, right? Except this time, it's real, and it has a 3-letter name, AI. Yes, artificial intelligence has officially invaded the world of trading, and it's doing something that humans have been trying to master for decades, turning chaos into profit. I know what you're thinking. Another magical robot promising riches. But stay with me, because what I'm about to share is how people, normal people, not Wall Street millionaires, are doubling their money without lifting a finger. The truth is, AI trading bots aren't just about making trades faster. They're about removing the single biggest risk in trading. You, your emotions, your fear, your "I'll just hold a little longer" voice that always shows up seconds before disaster. These bots don't panic. They don't get greedy. They don't text their ex at 2 a.m. after a losing streak. They just execute. But let's rewind. How we get here? AI trading bots used to be the secret weapons of hedge funds and big banks, quietly running algorithms behind the scenes, vacuuming pennies from the market millions of times a day. But now, thanks to platforms like Pionex, 3 Commas, and KRYLL, retail traders, people like you and me, have access to the same firepower. It's like going from driving a rusty bicycle to suddenly owning a Formula One car. Except this car never gets tired, never loses focus, and never forgets the rules of the track. So how does doubling your money with zero trading even work? Here's the twist. You're not the one trading. The bot is. You set your parameters, or in some cases, just plug into a pre-built strategy, and it starts executing thousands of micro decisions that no human brain could process in real time. Some bots follow grid trading, some use arbitrage, and others lean on deep learning models that predict market sentiment before it even moves. But here's the punchline. While the bot is doing all the heavy lifting, you're doing absolutely nothing. Which raises a serious question. If the bot is doing everything, is this still your win? Or are you just the guy in the passenger seat cheering when the car crosses the finish line? Of course, it's not all sunshine and Lamborghinis. Bots can fail. Markets can flip upside down. And if you're using a poorly coded one, well, let's just say your AI might be better at losing your money than doubling it. But the ones that work, they're like money printers disguised as lines of code. Here's the crazy part. While human traders fight over candlestick patterns on Twitter, bots are silently dominating. In fact, some studies suggest that a huge percentage of today's crypto volume is already run by algorithms, not humans. So when you win a trade, chances are you didn't outsmart another guy on his laptop. You outsmarted a bot. And good luck with that. But this is where the story gets interesting. Because the bots aren't just faster, they're evolving. With every tick of data, every trend, every fake breakout, they're learning. Imagine a trader who never forgets a single chart pattern in history, who can trade 24/7 without blinking, and who doesn't care whether Bitcoin goes to the moon or crashes to the basement. That's not just powerful, that's terrifying. So when I say I double my money with zero trading, what I really mean is I handed the wheel to AI, and it drove straight into Profit Town while I was busy doing literally anything else. And that's the new reality. The less you trade, the more you might make. Because sometimes the smartest move in the market is stepping aside and letting the machines take over. The question is, are you ready to trust a bot with your money? Or will you keep convincing yourself that your gut feeling is stronger than an algorithm that eats data for breakfast? Because here's the spoiler. In this new world of AI trading, humans aren't the sharks anymore. We're just the fish swimming around, hoping we don't get eaten by a smarter predator. And if you think doubling your money with zero trading is too good to be true, remember this. The future doesn't wait for doubters. It's already here, it's already profitable, and it's running on code. So maybe the real hustle isn't learning to trade. Maybe the real hustle is learning how to let AI trade for you.